Hello, and welcome back. This is V here, and I am one of the Kindred Vegans. The other one is at her home right now. I am walking you through today with what I eat in a day, and I'm starting the morning off really quick. My kids are getting ready for school, and I'm getting ready to drop them off. As you can see, their lunch is packed. So today for breakfast, let me show you what I have. So I have some cucumbers cut up and some potatoes that I baked up. So I am gonna have some sweet potato and some cucumbers for breakfast. And I usually eat my cucumbers on the way while dropping the kids off because I get hungry. But I will probably throw a tea alongside with it, and that's gonna be my breakfast. Let me know what you're having for breakfast. Bye for now. I'll see you at lunchtime. All right, I'm getting ready for lunch here, and I have prepped up some this week, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm having for lunch. Our all-time favorite, potatoes and cucumbers. So I'm gonna cut them up, air fry them, and have that for lunch. I'll see you at dinner. Bye. Hello and welcome back. I am rounding up for the day. As you can see, I'm in my comfy hoodie getting ready for bed, and I wanted to show you what I'm having for dinner. Now my kids are all fed, everything is all done, kind of settle down a little bit. That's when I like to sit and have my dinner. So what I am having today is I'm having some curry lentil soup, which the recipe is on our page and I will link it. But let me show you what it looks like. So here I have it, and it is loaded with veggies, but I am probably still gonna cut up a cucumber on the side and have it. So that was pretty much what I eat in a day. And, we'll try to keep making more videos. So many of you have been DMing us about this, but if you have any questions, feel free to put them down below, or you can find us on our social media, Kindred Vegans. We are on Instagram and on Facebook. So find us, send us questions there, and we will see you back here next week. Bye.